As I wrote and discussed of and about the sounds, voices, resonances, and vibrations of the shofar and Adnei haSadeh, Jagan, Adnei, Bigfoot, Sasquatch portals, dimension, space and time, etc., and more, the Lights and Darks Aspaklaria mirrors of it is, and are. 1. Inshushinak, Cuneiform. Transliteration. Inshushinak. 2. Pazuzu, Cuneiform. Transliteration dPa-zu-zu. 3. Lamashtu, Cuneiform. Transliteration. dLa-maš-tu. 4. Khumban, Cuneiform. Transliteration. dİu-um-ba-an. Containers, tools, instruments, and vessels to embouchure air and wind, gust and breath, to and for the waters. I'm excited to announce that I've officially created an authentic clone of my voice, titled Otmazgin, and Otmazgin 2, now publicly accessible on the NaturalReader app and web. You can find my voice in the English category list. Experience a clear, enhanced, and prolific rendition of my voice. Explore it here. NaturalReader official website. NaturalReader for iOS. NaturalReader for Android. Voice cloning NaturalReader, Otmazgin, AI to text-to-speech Englishes, voice technology, iVoices, speech synthesis, tech innovation. General timeline to online. Conscious to interesting, intriguing, curious. Current topic, Kensit history, paranormal, weird, strange. Bigfoot, Sasquatch, Ahsoka. Bigfoot, Nephilim, and the Adnei haSadeh, the hidden giants of Earth. By Otmazgin. Introduction. The ancient mystery of Bigfoot and the Nephilim. The enigma surrounding Bigfoot, Sasquatch, and other wild hominid creatures has long fascinated researchers, cryptozoologists, and ancient scholars. While some believe they are merely undiscovered primates, others, including researcher 🀭🂭🍪, argue that they are something far older and more profound. In his shocking interview, A Flash of Beauty Bigfoot Revealed, Baker unveils a staggering theory. Bigfoot may be remnants of the Nephilim, the giant hybrid offspring of fallen angels and humans described in the Bible, Book of Enoch, and other ancient texts. The shofar, a sacred horn, can summon or communicate with them. Governments may have built military bases to protect or monitor them. Furthermore, Adnei haSadeh, mysterious humanoid beings from Jewish texts, could serve as the Adnei haSadeh, mysterious humanoid beings from Jewish texts, could serve as the missing link between Bigfoot, Nephilim, and Earth's ancient inhabitants. Watch the full interview here. A Flash of Beauty Bigfoot Revealed Tim Baker interview. Adnei haSadeh, the wildmen of Jewish lore and their connection to Bigfoot. What are the Adnei haSadeh? Ancient Jewish sources describe Adnei haSadeh as wild, humanoid beings that predate or exist outside modern human civilization. These beings were said to be covered in hair, much like descriptions of Bigfoot, live in forests, mountains, and isolated regions, avoiding humans, have an umbilical cord-like tether to the earth, and if severed, they would die immediately, suggesting a deep biological or mystical connection to the planet itself. The parallels to Bigfoot are undeniable. Both are depicted as intelligent but separate from human civilization. Both have been linked to supernatural or Nephilim origins. Both are described in ancient records as watchers or guardians of the land. Could Bigfoot be a surviving species of Adnei haSadeh or an offshoot of the Nephilim bloodline? The Nephilim connection. Are Bigfoot the survivors of pre-flood beings? Baker's research aligns Bigfoot with the Nephilim, described in the Book of Enoch, Genesis 6, verse 4, and other ancient texts as giant hybrids, offspring of fallen angels and human women, possessing unnatural abilities such as immense strength, intelligence, and possibly even interdimensional capabilities. Erased from history after the Great Flood, but some may have survived in remote regions. Strange phenomena associated with Bigfoot, infrasound attacks that disorient, paralyze or instill fear in humans. Telepathy.